Question 1. The table shows the melting point of each of 6 metals. So each of these numbers corresponds to the metal that's there. 1 part A. Which of the numbers in the table is the smallest number? So which of these is the smallest? Well, that's 1063, which means that is our answer for the first part. Part B. Write the number 1083 in words. Well, I just said it there, but just to clarify, 1083 in words is spelled like so. Okay, if you didn't have the hyphen there, that would also be fine for writing it out. Part C, write down the value of the 5 in the number 1452. There's many ways you can write this. The 5 itself stands for 50. You could also write the fact that it stands for 5 tens. Either of those would be correct in terms of identifying what the 5 is. Part D, write down the number 1773 correct to the nearest 10. Well, the tens column is here, which means if we did rounding to the nearest 10, that 3 will not change the 7. Oh, what happened there? There we go. That 3 will not change the 7, which will leave us with the following number. And of course, everything after the rounding part turns into 0. So 1770 is going to be our rounding there. Part E, which number in the table is a multiple of 10? The one with a 0 in the end, iron. It does ask which number, however, though, so 1530 would be what I'd write down. F, one of the numbers in the table, when written correct to the nearest 100, is 1400. Write down this number. So you have 2 choices. You could round all of these to the nearest 100 and see which one gives you 1400 as the answer, or a quicker way would be look at what number is closest to 1400, and you're going to find it quite quickly in that case. So this one, 1411, is definitely the answer to that. G, the melting point of silver is 102 degrees lower than the melting point of gold. Work out the melting point of gold, silver. So gold is 1063, and if we are 102 lower than that, then that means we're going to take away 102 from that, which will give us 961. So 961 degrees Celsius is the answer to that. Done.